important part of early literacy development. That is why you will always hear them at RPL Storytimes. They're a great way for children to make the connection between movement and rhythm and words. Today I'd like to share with you one of my favorites. It's called Mix a Pancake. Do you like pancakes? Get your bowl ready. And here we go. Get your spoon going. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan. Fry the pancake, flip the pancake. Catch it if you can. You can even try and incorporate a little prop. When we do story times at the library, I like to use scarves. I don't have my scarves right now, so let's try something else. A Kleenex. Here we go. Mix a pancake, stir a pancake, pop it in the pan, fry the pancake, flip the pancake, woo! Catch it if you can. I caught my pancake. For more fun ideas, check out reginalibrary.ca.